Let's see how to insert page numbers from a particular page in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And as you can see, our document has 3 pages. Now, let's say we want to insert page numbers starting only on the second page right here. So what we can do is try to click on the footer. Now let's go ahead and insert our page number by clicking on this icon right here. Let's go ahead and place that at the bottom of our page. And you'll notice that it begins at the number 2, while the number 1, page 1, starts on the first page. Now what we can do to fix this problem, if we want our page 1 to be at the second page of our document, is first remove all the spaces in between these pages. Now, let's go ahead and place our cursor at the end of the paragraph where we want to start the next page. Now, let's say you want to end our paragraph right here. Now, click on Layout, click on Breaks, and click on Next Page, Section Break. And what that will do is it will direct or move all of the text after your cursor to the next page and create a new section for that page. And so this new section, you have the ability to format in whatever way that you want. Let's do the same for this one. And as you can see, we now have 3 pages and 3 different sections. Now, if you want to insert our page numbers at the bottom, let's go ahead and click on this one right here. You'll see that it is still linked to the previous page. So let's go ahead and remove that. Let's do the same thing for the third page. And now both pages are not linked to each other. And for this one, let's go ahead and insert our page number. Click on Format Page Number. Make sure that you click Start at 1. Click on OK. Let's click here again. Click on Page Number at the bottom of the page. And you'll see that our second page in the document is now labeled as page 1. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.